Hi, grade 4s. We are looking at Afrikaans, our first little section of Afrikaans to study, and today we're looking at Teenoorgesteldes. Now, there isn't really a little clue that I can give you or anything else like that, other than to say that if you understand what the words mean, your vocabulary, then it does help a little bit to know what the opposite is, and teenoorgestelde means the opposite. Otherwise, you really just have to learn them. There isn't a trick to them or anything else. So if we look at my first screen there, I've got teenoorgesteldes, and there's some that I haven't got a picture for. So neef en niggie, and I've got kleinseun en kleindochter, vriend, vriendin, oom, tante. Okay, the yellow ones are the girls and the purple ones are the boys, but not in all the pictures, just in that little block there. And then I've got an oma and an opa, but you could also say dis 'n man en 'n vrou. Then I've got a little family of a mom, a dad, a brother and a sister. En ek kon sê dis 'n vader of 'n pa en 'n moeder of 'n ma, a father and a mother. But I could also say, instead of father, I could say dad, which is pa. En daar's 'n dogter en 'n seun, 'n daughter and a son, en 'n sussie of 'n sister, en 'n boetie of 'n broer. Okay, sister and brother. There's just two different ways of saying sister and brother. As you can see, there isn't really a way to learn them. You just have to know them off by heart. Some other ones that have come up in your books, we've got stadig en vinnig, which is slow and fast, jonk en oud, young and old, ryk en arm, so rich and poor, koud en warm, cold and warm, klein en groot, small and big, and then some other ones I don't have a picture for, maklik, moeilik, easy and difficult, bly, hartseer, happy and sad, dadelik en later, straight away and later. And my last little list of them, laat en vroeg, late and early, gelukkig, ongelukkig, so lucky and unlucky, vriendelik, onvriendelik, friendly, unfriendly. Then with my pictures, binne en buite. Binne is inside, buite is outside. So you look at the teddy bear, hy's binne die boxie daarso en buite. Kort en lank, short and tall. Aand en oggend, evening and morning. Now, like I said, questions your teacher could ask you, the chances are that she's probably going to put it in a sentence and then say, onderstreep die teenoorgesteldes, if she puts them both together. So you would have to pick them up. Or she would say, change the underlined words to the opposites. So, dit is koud vandag. And then she might say, verander die onderstreepte woorde na die teenoorgestelde. Verander means to change, onderstreepte means underlined, and teenoorgestelde means the opposite. So she would underline koud, dit is koud vanoggend, and you would have to say dit is warm vanoggend. Or she may just give you a list of words, like the ones I've mentioned before, and say, gee die teenoorgestelde vir. Give the opposite for. And she would just list the words and you would have to tell what the opposites are. Now, I would suggest the way to study this would be to make a list of all the teenoorgesteldes. And I've looked through your tile book, and those are the ones that I've given you in the last 3 slides, so you can take it from my slides. Make a list of them, draw little pictures to help your brain remember them, and you need to know both ways. So you mustn't just know if your mom says to you kort, you mustn't be able to say only lank. If she says to you lank, you must also know kort. So you've got to know your list both ways, because you don't know which of the ways you're going to get it. Okay, so don't just learn the one side of your list. You need to know both of them. That's the best advice I can give you. This is one of those sections where you just have to put your head down and learn the words, which one goes with which one. Good luck.